Hey, good day, guys. This is Chibuzo Agowa, and you're welcome to Login for Tech channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy products from AliExpress, and we shall be using the mobile app as in this case, as you can see, being displayed just by my side. So we shall be doing that, and I'm with my phone here. We shall be following the process step by step. So actually, if you're adding follower of this channel, you discover that I've actually created lots of videos that talked about AliExpress, how to buy product from AliExpress, how to track your goods from AliExpress, and also how to remove your AliExpress card if you actually maybe you gain a new card and you want to like switch between the former card, be it a credit card or a debit card. I've showed all those steps. I've talked about it in this video. So now we shall be practically buying a particular product from AliExpress, which I shall be doing in this video, and I'll be showing you step by step. I'll do it practically just like I said, as you can also view from my side. We shall actually order a product, and we'll see when it will get delivered. I'll actually do a sequel to this video showing that the product has arrived. To actually clarify what I'm trying to say, if you should discover, I talked about buying a Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. This is the phone. I bought it from AliExpress. This webcam that I'm actually using to shoot this video, it arrived just 2-3 days back, and this is the webcam. This is the carton. I mean, actually bought this earbuds also from AliExpress, as you can see, and even this wristband of mine, fitness band actually, I bought all from AliExpress. So I'm actually trying to tell you that yes, you can buy product from AliExpress and it will arrive at your destination safe and sound, so you don't need to fear. So for my Nigerian viewers or audience or subscribers, or if you're a Nigerian watching this video, don't be scared. You can actually buy from AliExpress and it will get delivered to you, yes, right to your doorstep. Like this very webcam, it was delivered to me right to my doorstep because they use actually a delivery service called SpeedAF, and they actually deliver door to door. For the Nigerians, I reside in Nigeria. I'm practically talking from the Nigerian perspective. The first thing you have to do before you buy from AliExpress, you have to have an AliExpress account. Yes, and you can simply do this by downloading the AliExpress app either from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Yes, you can download it. It works for both Android and iOS. So after downloading, the next thing you have to do is you have to create an account. And when creating an account, I always advise people to actually use their right information. Use your correct name, just the way it appears on your ID card, be it your national ID card, be it your international passport or whatsoever. Use the exact name you have on your identity card, a government approved identity card, driver's license, or whatsoever. And also use an accurate address so that once the product arrives in Nigeria, it will get delivered to you right to your doorstep or to a nearby post office. And if you're confused, for example, we all know that there are basically lots of post offices in all the areas of Nigeria. So you can easily Google Nigeria postal codes to know your right postal codes, and you in the place of address, you actually fill in the correct information in your address so that there will be no delay while receiving your product. Those, for example, if it's being used if they use the post office delivery service to send your products, a worker or staff in the post office will have to call you, yes, that your products have arrived for you to come and receive them. So that's what most of the products I ordered actually leave at your post office. But this very one is SpeedAF. My phone actually is post office. My tripod stand is also post office here. So they have two methods of delivery. So the main thing is that filling your accurate information, your phone number, your real name, and your accurate address. So having done that, now let's go down to let me order a particular product from AliExpress, and I'll show you the step by step. Now, as you can see, and I hope you can easily view the view. I'm actually looking at my mobile app, and yes, it's showing. So now, first of all, let me go to my home screen for you to actually agree that yes, this is Chibuzo. As you can see, my name is boldly written there, Chibuzo Agowa. This is me, and this is my app, and this is my AliExpress account. So if you should go to my let's see, my various orders, you see lots of like I told you, this is a webcam that just arrived 3 days back. This is the first one you're seeing. I bought shoes, and this is my phone screen protector for this very Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G, and this is the phone itself. And this is my car key replacement. This is a shoe. This is a wristband, fitness band I just showed you. So lots and lots of things I actually bought from AliExpress. So that is just for an example. So now let's order a particular product so that you see step by step how you can do that. So the next thing, for example, if you've created an AliExpress account, you've entered your correct information, You have your account display just like this. Also choose the appropriate country. As you can see from the top, my country is Nigeria. I actually choose Nigeria. So now let's go back to the home screen. So if you want to buy, like, say, a particular product, I want to order an SD card. Yes, I want to use it for this phone because I discovered that yes, I need a memory expansion on this phone. So that's the reason why I want to order an SD card. So let's do it practically for you to see. So now, for example, if you want to purchase, and let's say you can easily go to the search bar at the top and you type SD card and you hit the search button. So you see an array of displays of which you can easily choose whatsoever you want to buy. For example, like I told you in this video, I'm buying an SD card and that's what I search for. So you can see an array of displays, and let's see this very top. The first one is Samsung. I want to see, okay, this product is OYO. I don't really know how it's pronounced in China. You know, most of these manufacturers are actually based in China. So now let's see. Now the next thing you do, for example, let's say, for instance, I want to purchase this particular SD card. The first thing you have to do, you have to scroll down to the review section. As you can see, this very product have attracted 1,009 reviews, which means yes, people are actually buying this product and they are actually commenting after buying, giving their reviews after buying the product. So now let's see, it has a rating of 4.7, which is okay. Now you have to like go to the review itself and see the number of reviewers. So now, as you can see, I'm in Nigeria, just like I told you. My app, during the account registration, I chose Nigeria, so which means I should be seeing reviews from Nigeria, just as you can see. So from the review section, you discover that yes, 56 Nigerians have actually bought this product. So now the next thing you would do, you have to type on the country. I'm using Nigeria as in this case because I reside in Nigeria, but if you reside in India, Pakistan, United States, UAE, whatsoever, choose your particular country. What I'm actually trying to do is that I want to see the people, the reviews, what people actually commented that have bought this product in Nigeria. Yes, because I'm actually trying to ship this product from China, Singapore, wherever the seller is. The AliExpress seller is down to Nigeria. So which means that yes, 56 people have reviewed this product actually bought from Nigeria. Let's, if you have the time, if you want, I've actually gone through this review before, but I'm shooting this video just to be short enough. So if you have the time, you can actually read through each of the reviews, listen to what they say. They actually say the product is good or bad, and how fast the delivery was, that's in delivery from China to Nigeria, how fast it was. You can actually read each reviews related to the country. If you're in Ghana, Kenya, wherever, just like I said, India, Pakistan, read the reviews of people that reside in your country, because that's what I normally do, and I find it effective enough. Yes, 56 people have bought this product from China, and which means that yes, if I actually bought this product, I will actually get it delivered down to Nigeria. So yes, I can go ahead, but the product itself, let me still check. Now the next thing you have to check is the price rating, the price, and if you see the delivery, it says delivery shipping from China. It ships from China using Kainao Super Economic Global, estimated delivery August 30th. We are in July the 28th, if I'm not mistaken, and which means it will take a month plus. So this is the next consideration most people buying from AliExpress need to know. For example, if you pay for a product today, many people get worried that yes, oh, product haven't arrived, is that actually you always first of all always take time to check the delivery period. That's the duration by which it will take for it to arrive to your destination right here in Nigeria or wherever you find yourself. So August 30th is the delivery date, which means that estimated delivery date, it can come earlier than that, it can come 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but it is earlier than that. But the estimated date is what? August 30th. So that's the next thing you check. And also now let's go to the capacities. I'm actually buying this SD card. So the prices, you actually check whatsoever I want. 8 GB for 6.7. As you can see, my app is calibrated, or I choose Nigeria while registering this account, and that's the reason why the prices is being displayed in Nigerian currency. As you can see, 677.99 NGN, but this is actually the CBN rate, which is much more lower than the bank rate or the black market rate. So if I actually purchase this goods, I wouldn't be paying 677 naira, because the bank, like I use GT Bank, they normally charge between 490 to 500 naira per dollar. But actually, what this rate is being calculated using the CBN rate, which is around 415, which is quite lower. So don't go by this rate and say that, hey, your bank have cheated you or something like that. I'm talking about those in Nigeria. So now the capacities, let me still check if I would want to buy this product. I'm actually looking for a 64 GB memory card, and the price is just 1,006 naira. It's quite cool for an SD card. I'm going by the reviews, but yes. And now, for example, if you like maybe want to keep, or there's what we call placing your orders in a wish list, whereby you can place it in a wish list for you to come maybe in 2 days time, 3 days time, a week time to come and check the product, so that you save you the stress of always like going to the search bar to navigate and find the products. You can actually place this in the wish list by tapping this love icon just by the side of the product. Let me tap it for you to see. After tapping it, you see it is now black, and the pop-up will come below. We say that added to wish list, which means automatically I've added this product to my wish list. And how can you locate your wish list? Let's go back to my home page of my account. I have to like go back a little bit. Just go back to the home screen itself. Okay, now to locate your wish list, you actually do this from your account page. So you can see just below my picture where my name was, by the first love icon is where it's actually indicated wish list. So if I should tap on it, you see that this very SD card that I just placed in my wish list will now appear at the top, which is now this. So what this means is that I can actually come to my wish list and see all the products that are placed on the wish list and purchase them at any distant time. But there is a particular SD card actually placed in my wish list, which is made by Huawei, and I think I love it more compared to that very one that we just saw, which I don't actually know the name of the if the manufacturer is actually guaranteed. If they produce original SD card, I can't really attest to that. But now let's look at Huawei. Yeah, this is a Huawei card I placed on my wish list, and this is the exact one I feel like, yes, it will be appropriate for me to buy. So you can see, let's see, first of all, it has the 128 gigabytes, and this is the actual one I want to buy. Is the 128 gigabyte SD card that goes for 1,746 naira. But if I should, okay, let's see, we'll actually do a practical example for you to see. So this is very one I want to buy, and there is another 128 gigabyte EVU green 2457. What's the difference? I'll actually, let me see from the image. Okay, this one comes with an adapter and memory card. Now we'll go back. Like I said, I want to buy from Huawei, so there's no need searching for the EVU green 245. So what and what's, it's the same thing, just the color. So let me go back to the first one that I chose, which is the Pro Blue that has a capacity of 128 gigabyte. This is what I want to buy, and I think this will look cool for me. So the estimated is just like the former one, is actually free shipping, and it will be by China to Nigeria now super economy global. And the estimated delivery date, just like the former card that we just saw, is still August 30th. So I think I'm cool with this. So I've chosen the 128 gigabyte capacity. So the next thing I have to do, as you can see, there are two buttons below, an orange button and lighter orange, and yes, a more profound orange button. So you see the one that says buy now. If you want to buy now immediately, you can easily click on the buy now. But if you want to place on your cards, you can also tap on add to cards for you to come in the future to also make this purchase. So I'm actually buying now because I'm doing this video practically for you to see, just like I said from the start. So now I'll click on buy now, and hold information, yes, will now pop up. This is my card that is already there. Yes, you have to, if you don't include your card, you will easily include your card before you actually make a purchase. If you should check, there's a particular video I've talked about how to remove your card. Some people like removing their card after making a purchase, but my card is always permanent on the AliExpress app. So now you can see the estimated price in dollars, which is around $4.20. And if we should use the calculation of 5 500 naira per dollar. Yes, I'll be arriving at, let me say, 2000 and something naira for this 128 gigabyte capacity of SD card, just like I told you. So now, after done that, you have to cross check if everything is okay by you or with you. The next thing you have to do is to tap on pay now. My card is already connected to my AliExpress account, so the money will be deducted automatically. As you can see, it's processing. Payment successful. As you can see, the prompt is just off. So the next thing I'll have to receive is an email to my Gmail account, or maybe any email that you're using creating this account. I'll send an email to your account indicating the confirmation that yes, you've made this payment, and the stages of the product being shipped. Let me go back to check my order. The stages, you can easily track your product once it is being processed, or once the processing has started. So you all get this through an email. Yes, an email will be sent to you showing you the status of this very products that I've ordered. So if you missed I actually did a video on how to track your orders. Yes, you can go to the playlist of our channel, or maybe I'll actually place a card at the top of this video for you to see what I'm talking about. But if you missed it, you can actually go to the playlist of this channel and yes, and watch how to track your orders on AliExpress. You can see we've made our purchase. So from the estimation, I should be expecting this very products right here in my doorstep in Nigeria just before, and there is a confirmation. Let me go. A message just popped up. Okay, shop store. This is the shop I actually made the purchase, and yes, they sent me an order confirmation. So, for example, if you want to like speed in the process, you can easily message the store. You can easily message the seller or the store. You can say, please kindly ship this product as fast as possible. So this is the message I'm sending out to the store, to the seller, so I can send this, and definitely he will reply after getting this message. But most of the times it doesn't come immediately because of the hours difference between Africa or Nigeria and China. Like, there are hours ahead of us. So he will eventually reply to this message once he sees it. So now I've made a purchase, I've made my order, and there's also an order confirmation, order confirmed, as you can see, to tell you that the process has begun. But the tracking process itself will start displaying from 24 hours from now. So now we've actually come to the end of this video. I've made my purchase, and like I normally do in this my channel, I will show you a sequel of this video when this product actually arrives. Not only in Nigeria, but I'm holding it in my hands. I will do even if it's not a long video, I'll actually do a short on my YouTube shorts for you to see yes, that this product has arrived. So if you find all this interesting, kind of give this video a thumbs up. Or if you're confused in any angle, you can still go to the comment section of this video that you're watching and ask your questions, and I will attend to them speedily as soon as possible. And also, if you want to become a part of this channel, if you want to okay, the shopper has even replied immediately. You can see the first one, the first reply is in Chinese, and he has to interpret it in Nigeria. I said, hi friend, your order number, blah, blah, has been received. We'll deliver the goods within 18 hours. After delivery, we'll confirm you have the shipping order number. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. And thank you. As you can see, the seller actually replied immediately. I was thinking that it would take maybe like hours before he or she replied, and he replied, and it's actually indicating that he will start processing the order within 18 hours. 18 hours is just less than 24 hours, which means that he will package it and start shipping it within 18 hours. You can see visibly we are doing this practically, and you are seeing it as it is happening. So, like I was saying, if you want to be part of this channel, you can actually hit the subscribe button, which is this red rectangular button below this video that you're watching, and also turn on the bell notification, so that I get notified whenever maybe I do a sequel to this video, or maybe release another important videos just like this. So if you've done that, like I said, if you still have series of questions, go to the comment section, and maybe at the description of this video I will be placing lots of important links for you to watch. And if it doesn't appear in a card just within this video that you're watching, I'll place them in the description of this video for you to watch. So we've come down to the end of this video. Share, like, and also hit the subscribe button. So Chibuzo is my name, like I said from the start. I'm blogging for tech is the name of this channel. So bye bye, and anticipate for the next video once you've hit the subscribe button. So ciao, take care.